Guys, just look at these golden crispy sweet potatoes served with a rich colorful veggie sauce made with cabbage, tomatoes, onions and bell pepper. So simple, so delicious and full of flavor. Welcome to Savor District. Let me show you how to make this from start to finish. So for the ingredients, you need sweet potatoes, tomatoes, onions, bell pepper and cabbage. I already peeled and sliced the sweet potatoes into round shapes. You can cut them in any shape you want, cubes, rounds or however you prefer. Here I have added the sweet potatoes into a pot of water. I will leave it to boil while I slice my other ingredients. While the sweet potatoes were about to boil, I sliced up my onions, bell pepper, tomatoes and cabbage. As I finished, I saw the steam rising. That's how I knew the sweet potatoes were half cooked. After the sweet potatoes were done boiling, I drained them into a strainer and left them to cool for a few minutes. They were soft, not mushy, just perfect. Now for the frying process, I placed the boiled sweet potato slices directly into hot oil and fried them until they turned golden and slightly crispy. Make sure the oil is hot but not too much so that they don't soak up too much oil or burn. After frying the sweet potatoes, I placed them into a bowl just to show you the result before starting the veggie sauce. I added chopped tomatoes, onions and bell pepper into the hot oil and let them cook down gently. Next, I added in the sliced cabbage and give it a good stir to combine everything together. I added curry. Guys, if you have other spices that you love, you can use them also, but for me, I added my curry, 3 cubes of Maggi Star and a pinch of salt. Then I covered the pot and let it cook for about 2 minutes so that everything blends together nicely. And here is the end result of our delicious sweet potatoes with veggie sauce. Golden, flavorful and so satisfying. Just like I showed you in the beginning, everything came together beautifully. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy homemade meals right here on Savor District. See you in the next one. Bye.